Hello friends, welcome to Investable. Today we are going to learn about how to do adjustments for Ironfly option strategy. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get the latest notification. Also, please join my Telegram group where I will be posting all my trades and strategy. So let's start the video. I have loaded a Bank Nifty chart here. So this is in daily time frame. So we are going to do Ironfly adjustments for a particular week. Here on 3rd August and 4th August, we have a big bull run, almost 1500-600 points. So we will create a back test and we will try to do adjustments to get the maximum profit. So let's open the calendar. So 3rd August is Tuesday. So Thursday is 5th August. So we will go for 5th August expiry. For creating the option strategy, I am using opstar.defineage.com. I will give this link in the description. You can log in and you can create your own strategy. Okay. So here I am going to option simulator and I will select Bank Nifty and expiry 5th August. Okay, what is the start date? 5th August. So generally the weekly strategy you can create on the previous Thursday. Okay, the previous Thursday is 29th. Okay, payoff date 5th August. Normally we have to create the strategy after 9:30 because before 9:30 there will be a huge volatility. I just forwarded 10 minutes. So now the time is 9:30. So what is the current market price? 34,592. That is 34,600. Okay. So we will create the Ironfly strategy at 34,600. So I am selling one lot call option and one lot put option. Okay. So what is the break even? 33,843 and 35,357. Okay. So now we have to buy out of the money call and out of the money put. So for that I am going to select 33,800 put and 35,400 call. Okay. So we will sell 35,400 call, 35,400 call, one lot buy and 33,800 put. 33,800 put one lot. Okay. So this is our payoff diagram. So maximum loss 6,700 and maximum profit 13,200. So we will go forward and we will do the adjustments. For doing the adjustments, we are going to manage the delta of call and put. Okay. So please forget about the hedged position. That means we need to forget about 35,400 call and 33,800 put. So only we are going to manage the positions which we sold. That is 34,600 call and put. So I am going forward 30 minutes. Okay, the market is moved around 100 points. Okay, we are in a profit of 183. So the delta, it is managed. So we need to adjust this strategy when we have a more than 20 points difference in delta. 20 to 25 points difference in delta, then we can adjust the strategy. I am going forward. Okay, delta is managed. Another 30 minutes. Okay, delta is fine. What is the Bank Nifty price? 34,673. Okay. Okay. Now we came to 2 o'clock. The bank nifty price is 34,700. Okay, we'll go little further. Okay, again the market is coming down. So we came to the end of the day. Profit is 500 rupees and the bank nifty price is 34,690. So that means 100 points movement happened. We'll go to 30th July. So what is the market price? 34,600. Okay, no problem. Delta is managed. Okay. Okay. So the market is coming down and we are in a profit of 1000 rupees. Okay, delta is managed. So no problem. So market again moved to 34,700. Okay, delta is managed. When there is a 25 point difference, then we will adjust the strategy. Okay. Okay, no problem. The time is 2:50. We'll move another half an hour. Okay, market is at same place. We'll go to end of the day. Okay, market is 34,584 and 1,500 rupees profit. Delta is managed and we will move to next day. Okay, market is 34,765. So market is moved up. We are having 1,750 rupees profit, but the delta is not matching here. Put delta is 38 and call delta is 60. We will go a little further. Again market moving higher. The bank nifty came to 34,815 and we are having a delta mismatch here. So what we can do is, so we can add one more put here with 20 delta. Okay, let's get the option chain. So where is the 20 delta? Here, 34,300. So I am going to sell one lot 34,300 put. So to reduce the margin, you can buy one out of the money put. That means you can buy 33,000 put to reduce the margin. Okay, so here please do not look at the option which we bought, only look at the options which we sold. Okay, so 34,300 put is 22 delta and 34,600 put is 36 delta, which means 58 delta on the put side and the call side 64. Okay, delta is managed. Now we will move further. So market is coming down, 1,800 profit. Delta is managed. Okay, market is same place. Okay. Okay. Market is at same place. So the time is now 2:30. Market came down. So market is at 34,700. We are having profit of 2,500. Now we came to end of the day and market is at same place, 2,800 profit. Delta almost matched. Okay, so we'll move to next day. Market opened at same place, 3,000 profit. Delta is matching. Okay, we'll move another 30 minutes. Okay, market moving higher. Call delta almost 70. put delta 33.17, that is 50. Okay, we'll move further. Okay, call delta move to 70 and put delta only 48. Market is around 34,800. We'll move another half an hour. Market is at same place. Okay, we'll move further. Okay, the put delta is reduced much, so we need to adjust the strategy. So what we are going to do now, we will close this put here 34,300. Which is around 34,300, around 44. Okay, now I am going to buy another put around 30 delta. Get the option. Okay, 34,700. I am going to sell one lot. Okay, now here 30, here 35, 65. So the delta is managed and we will move further. Okay, 34,877, 3,000 profit. Delta is managed. 34,934. The market is moving higher. Delta is 58. Okay, we will move further. What is the delta? 55. Okay, we will move further. Okay, the call delta 84, put delta 23.28. That means 50. So what we can do now, we will move 34,700 to the upper side. So let's close 34,700. It is 100. Okay, now what we are going to do is we have to see the call last traded price, which is 444. So what we can do is we can close this call also. We can create another iron fly at current market price. Okay, so I am going to close this call 444 and I closed the put also. Now we are going to sell at the money call and put. Okay, so what is the price? 35,000. Okay, I am going to sell one call 35,000 and one put 35,000. Okay, sell one at 35,000, one put 35,000. Let's look up the payoff diagram. So on the upper side we are safe. If the market moves price on the upper side, so we don't have any problem. So only downside we need to manage. Okay, let's see the Greeks. Both are 50-50. Let's move another half an hour. Okay, now the market is 35,160. What is the profit? 4,400. We'll move further. 35,200. Okay, the market is moving higher and higher. 4,500 profit. So what is the delta? Call delta becomes 70 and put delta becomes 34. So here we can add one more put. So here I am going to select around 30 delta put. So where is the 30 delta put? Here. So I am going to sell 34,900 put, which is trading around 100 rupees at the position. So here 28, 34, around 62. So delta is managed. So we will go further. So what is the current price? 35,500. The market is moving very fast. Okay, what is the profit? 6,400. And what is the delta? Okay, the call delta become 100 and the put delta only 25, 27. Okay, so here what I am going to do is I am going to close 35,000 put and okay, so 35,000 put trading around 49. We are closing 35,000 put and we are going to sell at the money put right now. Okay, 35,500 put we are going to sell. So 35,500 put, it is trading around 205. Okay, sell one part. See the payoff diagram. So it is in the same condition. Okay, our max profit is 9,800. So once we come to 80% of this 9,800, we are going to close this strategy. Okay, so we will wait another a few more hours. Okay, market is moving even higher. We are not going to do any adjustments because on the upper side we are safe. Okay, 35,800. Market is moving still further. So 8,000 rupees profit. 35,900. Okay, we are having a 8,000 profit. The profit is coming down. Move further. 8,000 profit. 8,300. Okay, 9,000. So now we are going to close this strategy because the max profit is 9,800 and now the profit is 9,130. Almost we reached 90% of the max profit. So I am going to close this strategy at this time. Okay, so this is how we need to manage the iron fly strategy. Hope you like it. We will see in another interesting video. Thank you for watching.